Hello guys, today I'm not playing a par 5 but I'm gonna hit some approaches and just try to get my ground to work a bit. Okay, it's first shot, let's see how it's gonna go. Okay, that was a good approach. So my goal is to get it above this, so it's high enough for a ground club, and this cat must move. Okay, let's get it. Second shot. Oh, terrible. That was not good. Okay, so it's the third shot. It's not laying a bit, it's not laying good, so I'm gonna turn my face a bit up to get under it. No ways that is near. Shot 4. I'm laying good, so I'm just gonna just hit. What's going on? Shot 5. Let's get it. Okay, that was good. That was actually good. It actually landed above my mark. So let's go again. Shot 6. That's a bit low, but at least I got power. Okay, so I'm gonna try to train myself to hit on like uncomfortable positions like this. So hopefully I get it good. That was actually beautiful. So that was shot 5. I think from there we can no shot 7. So I think we can start with the par 5. Okay, now it's time for the par 5. I had a good approach session. So let's just try to keep that in this par 5. Okay. This okay, this was a bad shot. I'm laying on the concrete. I'm aiming for there just to get a better shot, but if I can get it there, it would be nice. Very good. Okay, so I landed pretty good here. Just trying to hit it more up here just to curve it around. My mark is not there where it used to be. It's just more around the corner. That's not where I wanted it, but it landed pretty well. Okay, so now I'm pretty close. My mark is there by the green ball, if you can see. Yeah, I'm pretty here, so I'm just trying to get it lack. So how many was that? 1, 2, 3. If I get it in as a bogey, nah, a birdie, and close. Practice shot. That was pretty beautiful. I don't have my putt. I don't have my putter with me. I'm an idiot. So I'm just gonna use a ground just to like hit it a bit flatter. Or I'm just gonna use this point. Aish! Bit too hard. I'm going for par and I'm going for bogey. Thank you guys. Okay, that was it for today. We got a bogey, and yeah, hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Just check tomorrow. We're gonna make a video. I'm going to the driving range tomorrow, and I'm probably gonna play a mashie. So yeah, just look out for tomorrow, and yes. Lacquer.